The application in this video demonstration is the soldering of a downspout to a half-round copper gutter. The tool being used is an American Beauty 3198 industrial soldering iron with the diamond style tip. As we look closer, you can see the benefits of the diamond style tip in that it fits nicely into a tight corner, allowing for a narrow seam and a clean solder joint. The captioning in the upper right hand corner gives a panning view of the completed soldering application. Please remember that proper tip care and maintenance will extend the life of not only the soldering iron tip but also the soldering iron.